Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a chain of bubbles from different types of balloons. But first of all, practical advice. Tie the sculpting balloons to the hand pumps so they don't fall off the table. There are two types of hand pumps that can be used. I use a thin hand pump for balloons for modeling, size of 160. I use the second pump for all the other larger balloons. In this video, I use balloons for modeling size 160, size to 160, chrome balloons for modeling size to 160 and balloon for modeling size 360. Pre-stretch the balloon for modeling size 160. This is necessary to increase the elasticity of the balloon. Inflate the balloon with a thin hand pump for 7 pumps. Deflate the balloon a little within 1 second. Pinch the balloon at a distance of 3 centimeters from the beginning, release the air and make a knot. For beginners, this method is very convenient to easily make a knot on a balloon. One of the main rules when making a chain of bubbles: always twist only in one direction. Otherwise, the chain will unwind. Pinch the balloon at a distance of 1.5 or 2 centimeters from the beginning and twist 10 times. The second important rule: when making a chain of bubbles, always hold the first bubble tightly. I pinch the bubble between my index and middle finger and keep twisting the rest of the bubbles. Look, I first press the modeling balloon in the right place, and then I start twisting this point. Hold the first and last bubble tightly and tie the ends of the balloon. Cut off the excess and the chain is ready. Look, the chain of bubbles turned out to be very strong. It does not unwind. Make several such chains to gain experience. I make the next chain from a modeling balloon, size to 160. The principle of making a chain is similar to what I just showed you with a balloon for modeling size 160. In this example, I want to show you how convenient it is to fix a chain of bubbles in the event that the chain needs to be made short. The size of each bubble is about 2.5 centimeters. A chain of bubbles looks beautiful, in which the length and width of each bubble are the same. Make 2 knots before the last bubble, then cut off the tip, release the air, make another 1 knot and cut off the excess part. Now I will tell you about the specifics of making a chain from a chrome balloon. The making principle remains the same. You need to pre-stretch the balloon, twist the bubbles only in one direction and hold the first bubble firmly. The peculiarity of making a chain is that chrome balloons are considered slippery. Therefore, beginners can twist each bubble several times more, for example, not 7, but 10 or 12 times. And the last example, in which I use a balloon for modeling size 360, the principle of making a chain is the same. In this example, I want to show you a way that I use in the event that the bubbles do not fit in my hand. When the bubbles don't fit in my hand, I twist the chain at the place where the first bubble ends and the last one begins. I twist the chain in the same direction in which I twist the bubbles. Then I fix the place behind the last bubble between my index and middle finger and continue making the rest of the bubbles. Next, I fix the place in front of the last bubble, disconnect the chain and make a knot. Train to grow. You will definitely succeed. Thank you for watching us.